Two heavyweight boxers decide that they would be more successful if they competed in a lower weight class. For each boxer, this would require a total weight loss of 13 kg. At the end of the week one, they have each recorded a weight loss of 1 kg, and they both find that in each of the following weeks, their weight loss is slightly less than the week before. Boxer A's weight loss in week 2 is 0.98. It is given that his weight loss follows an arithmetic progression. Write down an expression for his total weight loss after X weeks. Total weight loss means sum of the weight lost, and in X week means SX. N is X. Okay, so it's an AP. The first term is 1 and the second term is 0.98. That means A is 1 and the common difference would be 0.98 minus 1, which is minus 0.02. And we need the expression for Fx, the total weight loss after X weeks. That's going to be X over 2 times 2A plus D times N minus 1. This is the expression. Let's slightly simplify it. We get X over 2 times 2 minus 0.02x plus 0.02, which gives X over 2 times 2.02 minus 0.02x divided with 2, we get X times 1.01. In fact, let me open the brackets as well. 1.01x minus 0.01x squared. This is the total weight loss after n weeks. Okay. Next part says that he reaches his 13 kg target during n weeks. So 13 kg is the total weight lost in n weeks. So we're going to equate Sn to 13. So the total weight loss after n weeks, so that's Sn is equals to 13. We already have an expression for Sn. Just replace the x with n. So 1.01 n minus 0.01 n squared equals to 13. And you have to find the value of n. This is a quadratic equation, quite twisted one, but we can untwist it by, let's take a look. This is the quadratic equation that we're getting. 0.01 n square minus 1.01 n plus 13. I can just multiply both sides with 100 and make these all integers. N square minus 101 n plus 1300 equals 0. Now you're going to solve this either using quadratic formula or factorization if it works. I'm going to use quadratic formula. N is equals to minus p plus minus p squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So it comes out to be, enter this in the calculator, you get n is equals to 16 or n is equals to 85.85. Now the only correct answer is n is equals to 16. After 16 weeks, he observes a weight loss of 13 kg. This is too big of a value. इतने हफ्ते तो weight loss करता रहा तो probably मर ही जाएगा. So this is a very unrealistic value. This is the value of our interest. So n is equals to 16. Okay, so part 2 is done. Next part says that boxers B's weight loss in week 2 is 0.02 kg. It is given that his weekly weight loss follows a GP. So now we have a GP here. Okay, so GP is, the first term is 1. The second term is 0.92. So then A is 1 And R is term divided by its previous term, so 0.9 is just 0.9. Okay. Now what do we need? And it is given that the weekly weight loss follows a GP. Calculate the total weight loss after 20 weeks. So we need S20. Formula for that is A1 minus R power N over 1 minus R. Substitute the values. 1 times 1 minus 0.92 power 20 upon 1 minus 0.92. Enter this carefully in the calculator and you should get 10.14 kgs. Okay. And then it says, and show that he never reaches his target. What was his target? Losing 13 kg weight. So how do we show that he never reaches his target? Notice that R is smaller than 1. Or in other words, R is between 1 to minus 1. That means you can find sum of all the terms of this progression because it is a converging progression. It eventually becomes 0. So you are in a position of finding sum of all terms, which is going to be A over 1 minus R. So that's going to be 1 over 1 minus 0.92, which comes out to be 12.5. So the poor thing does not meet his target of losing 13 kg weight. So since 12.5 is less than 13, he does not meet his target.